Wednesday, February 19th, 2014. We had a nice warm day today. Nice warm day yesterday. A lot of cleansing flights. It's interesting that there's a lot above, on top of the hive. A lot out front. A lot of dead bees. Let's hope they're all taken out by the caretaker bees. Still got a snowpack. This is Hive 1, furthest west. Hive 2 in the middle. This is the 8 frame instead of the 10. And then Hive 3, furthest east. This is the 10 frame, but it's also 1 super instead of the 2. Noticing that there are bees all the way out past the gate in the snow. Those spots you see are dead bees. I assume they were blown out here at one point by the breeze, but I'm not sure of that.